Welcome back to Study Hour. Today, I'm taking you on a rapid tour through the world of endocrinology and reproduction. Let's see how our body's glands steer us, how hormones work their magic and sometimes mischief, and how new life begins through gametogenesis, ovulation, and neuroendocrine control. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, the major endocrine glands. My body is loaded with these ductless wonders. They release hormones straight into my bloodstream. The hypothalamus and pituitary are the master controllers, calling the shots for other glands. Then I've got the thyroid and parathyroid, running metabolism and calcium. The adrenal glands get me ready for stress, fight or flight. The pancreas keeps my blood sugar in check with insulin and glucagon. And don't forget the gonads, testes or ovaries, vital for sex hormones and reproduction. So, how do hormones actually work? They're chemical messengers with two main styles. Water-soluble hormones, like insulin, can't slip through cell membranes, so they dock on surface receptors and start a second messenger chain reaction inside the cell. Lipid-soluble hormones, like thyroid hormone, glide right in, head for the nucleus, and flip genes on or off. But when hormones go off balance, things can get messy. Take diabetes mellitus. Either my insulin is low or my cells ignore it, and blood sugar climbs. With hypothyroidism, not enough thyroid hormone makes me tired and sluggish. Too much cortisol? That's Cushing's syndrome, muscle weakness, and fat in the wrong places. Hormone levels matter a lot. Now, on to reproduction. Everything starts with gametogenesis, the making of sperm and eggs. In males, spermatogenesis in the seminiferous tubules pumps out millions of sperm every day. In females, oogenesis inside ovarian follicles produces one mature egg per cycle. Here's how ovulation fits in. Each month, FSH boosts follicle growth. Then a big LH surge triggers ovulation. The egg pops out. The leftover follicle becomes the corpus luteum, pumping out progesterone so my body's ready if pregnancy happens. And who's the conductor? The hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis. GnRH from the hypothalamus gets FSH and LH flowing from the pituitary, which in turn fine-tune the gonads. Feedback from sex steroids helps keep everything in balance. That's my whirlwind tour of endocrinology and reproduction. Glands, hormones, diseases, gametogenesis, ovulation, and neuroendocrine control. If this animation-packed lesson helped, hit like, drop your questions in the comments, share with fellow learners, and subscribe to Study Hour for more bite-sized science.